This is my bachelor party, end of August of 2019. Over the course of the weekend, it was 4 of my closest homies, skydiving, mountain hiking, drinking, hanging out, listening to music. Kicking the weekend off, we left work on Thursday and headed to Davis to do some skydiving. Tom and I were meeting our buddy Dan at Davis to do some jumps. Thomas hadn't skydived in a little bit, so we had to do a recurrency jump for him before we can have fun and do some other jumps. Busted out the Fusion spherical GoPro and produced some really cool shots.
Yeah, dude. Wingsuit. Yeah. Wingsuit. Yeah. I jumped out and then
When jumping was all finished, we headed up to North Lake and met my buddy Seth up in Truckee. So Friday morning kicked it off early by meeting Dan up at Mount Rose, and Tom, Dan, Seth, and I hiked up to the top.
So far away.
So Mount Rose is pretty cool because it's the tallest peak in North Lake Tahoe. It's about 10 miles round trip, and it's just shy of 11,000 feet. The weather was in our favor. It really worked out. There was sunny skies and a crazy butterfly migration that was going on.
Very cool, huh?
Look how many are upstream too. This is insane. Stand right here.
I had read there was a migration going on and didn't quite understand what it meant, but once we were in the middle of it, it was incredible.
Final ridge lines on Mount Rose before we get to the actual summit.
You look at like not the very bottom layer of them. The very bottom layer just kind of flows over.
Yeah.
But as soon as you kind of like work your way up to like this higher layer, you start seeing this like little vortex happening.
Yeah.
What? Yeah, it's like a like doing it. Oh, hey.
On to the next adventure.
Oh yeah.
After the hike, mid-afternoon, we headed down the hill towards Reno, where we met our buddy Matt, made some good food, and listened to some loud music. Seth was on point that weekend with the food, brought a bunch of organic, healthy, delicious stuff, and cooked up some amazing meals.
Here we have a stewed pot of beans. There are many steps prior to this. We're reaping the benefits of a caramelized garlic, red pepper, but a very particular red pepper. Put it in a larger pan, and we're gonna fry some tempeh in it.
The night turned out exactly how I expected, hanging out with friends, listening to music, and just having fun. Saturday was a mellow start. We woke up, ate some food, and got ready, headed into Reno and went golfing at Grand Sierra Resort.
You got 3 skips?
GSR was hectic. There was lots of people for hot August nights. Driving range ended up being really cool, and then we got down on some gambling afterwards. The weekend was exactly what I needed, hanging out with some of my closest buds. Bachelor party was good, nice release, and just good preparation leading into the wedding.